So, students, I have already covered some part in the live sessions. So, if you aren't able to see the video that are left in this tab, you can find out in the live session where you will see two videos. That is the previous part of this video. Okay, let's start the class now. 2.2. How strong is the evidence for global warming? Lombardo 2009 puts forward the view that the significant rise in the Earth's temperature over the past century is the product of increased levels of atmospheric CO2 caused by greater use of fossil fuels. He maintains that this position is now generally agreed and that steps should be taken to reduce future warming by restricting the output of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide. However, Wong 2007 presents a range of counter-arguments. She mentions evidence of historical climate change which cannot have been caused by rising levels of CO2, and also discusses the difficulty of obtaining reliable data on temperature changes as well as other claims that solar activity may affect the amount of cloud cover and hence temperature levels. Such uncertainty, she considers, may raise doubts about the value of cutting CO2 production. The extractable summarizes ideas from both Lombardo and Wong. Find two examples of a summary in the extract and match them with the original text from A or B. Summary example: a significant rise in the Earth's temperature over the past century is the product of increased levels of atmospheric CO2 caused by greater use of fossil fuels. Original: this is also a consensus that over the period the level of carbon dioxide (CO2) in the Earth's atmosphere has also risen, mainly as a result of burning fossil fuels such as coal and oil. Which verbs are used to introduce the summaries? Which word marks the point where the writer switches from summarizing Lombardo to Wong? What other words or phrases could be used in this point?